In this video, we are going to fix the problem that if your Microsoft Edge browser is not opening, not responding, or maybe it crashes, here's how we can quickly fix that in Windows 11. First of all, we want to head over to the Start menu and right here, Settings. Click on that. And from here, we select Apps. And from here, in the settings, we just write here Edge. Okay, maybe we need to click on the installed apps and then we click on Edge. Here it is. We click on this. We actually click on this three dots and click on modify, click yes. And then it will show you this repair window. Click on the repair if you want to repair that. It will download a fresh copy, maybe update that automatically and then repair it for you, installing Microsoft Edge as you can see. So this will automatically attempt either to install or repair Microsoft Edge. After that, you might need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective and perfectly let it work. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.